Hello to you, my people. I'm back again, once again, and thank you very much for taking your time to come and check out what's new on my YouTube channel. Well, I remember in the last session we were supposed to do an Afrobeat session after that, and here we are. So just make sure that you have subscribed to my YouTube channel for new beats videos on a daily basis, and beats as well, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy. So this instrumental is called Honey. I named it Honey because it had a mood of love somehow. But let's get to action, my people. So I started with a guitar from the Sonic Synth VST Sonic Synth, and this was the tune. Yeah, that was the main tune, and of course I recorded it, and this is how it sounded. Then I recorded another instrument using the same tune that I recorded the guitar on, and this was it. Yeah, that was it anyway. After that I introduced, after recording that one, I introduced what is called a pluck. From the Expandy plugin. This is the pluck. So now let me play everything that I've recorded without the pluck. Yeah, so I played around with the tune and came up with something like this. Then I recorded it. Something like that. So, and then I added what we call the T-dot bass. It's kind of a bassy, a heavy bassy instrument. Maybe you can have a listen. Yeah, basically that's called the T-dot from the Relic VST. And if you have been keen, I've been using the instrument on almost every bit of mine. So yeah, as a beat maker, as a producer, you need to find those sounds that, you need to find those go-to sounds for you whenever you are imagining a certain type of mood. You don't have to go through tons of parks and libraries to get the sound. You need to have them at your fingertips or in your mind, or maybe if worst comes to the worst, you get a notebook and maybe just mark somewhere the VSTs and the categories of the instruments and the name of the instruments, and even to some extent the settings of the instrument in the EQ and the compression. Yeah, so after that maybe you can hear what I've played. Of course, now this is the fourth instrument added. You can have a listen. Yeah, then after that I added the claps. This is an Afrobeat, so I decided to use the claps, the short clap, like something like. And this is how it was before I recorded. After recording, this is how it sounded. Drop your comments below if you have anything to share. Share the feeling. Share whatever you have learned also with me. Also, you can teach me something that I don't know, because you know we cannot be able to know everything in this world, and that is why education has no end. That is why we will never stop learning in whatever you're pursuing. Yeah, so after that I added the drum kits. I added the kick. This one, yeah. And of course, after recording, this is how it sounded with the kicks. And then I added what we call the hi-hats. The hi-hats. That's the hi-hats. So after adding the hi-hats, this is how it sounded like. Yeah. And of course, after the hi-hats, I added what we call an open hat. This one. And this is how it sounded with the open hi-hat. Pretty simple, huh? And of course entertaining. It's interesting. Okay, anyway, so after that I added a vocal sample. Let me show you. Where is this vocal sample? This, here you are. You can have a listen. What are those? Sounds like some ghosts in a horror movie. So after adding the vocal sample, this is what I came up with. So after adding the vocal sample, I put the bass, the 808 bass. Okay, so after that, you can check how it sounded after I recorded it. This is the 808 bass, remember? My favorite part of course, beat making. Yeah, that's it. And then I added a guitar. It sounds like the rock kind of guitar. Yeah, where are you, Mr. Guitar? Maybe you can have a listen. before you record it. Of course, I'm just freestyling. That's not what I played, but you can check out what I played at the end of it all, the guitar that is. Yeah, let me hold it here for a minute, for a second rather. Are you guys following? Are you enjoying this session? If you have any questions, don't forget to drop them on the comment section below. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so that you can always find more and more of new content on beatmaking and beats on my YouTube channel. Before you do that, I won't forget to thank you very much for staying tuned, for visiting to check out our new content. Thank you very much, my supporters. Thank you very much. Yeah, so we continue. After that, I added what we call the effects. The effects, as I showed you last time, this is the effects. So now we can play everything, including the effects. Then I added more claps and something called wood block. You can check out the wood block right here. So after recording the wood block, and then I finished by this. And then I put a drum roll on it. Check out my drum roll, the drum roll here. So now you can listen to the whole instrumental from the beginning to the end, my people.
Riccobeatz.
This is the verse. Drop your comments below. Drop your comments below. Drop your comments below. my people, that's the instrumental. Remember, if you want to hear the full version, the final version of it, just head over to my website, www.Riccobeatz.com. Alternatively, you can check out the beats using the link that is in the description below. Otherwise, I want to take this opportunity to thank you very much for staying tuned. Remember to subscribe to the channel for new beats weekly, of course, new beats daily. Yeah, thank you very much. God bless you.